Hi, this is Manasa with yet another episode of Hype Check. And what is the hype all about this week? Met Gala. Everyone's talking about Met Gala. Basically, I keep telling people it's the fancy dress event, global fancy dress event. Biggest ever, right? And I've got some help today. I've got Sangamita and I've got Divyansh. They're like Met experts, okay? Met Gala experts. They love it. Guys, what do you think about the theme? It's toned down this time, no?
Theme is basically tailored for you. And
Yes.
it's to bring light to black fashion and like dandyism.
And
basically.
then also evolution, how they
Yes.
rose to power and stuff like
Exactly.
that.
So I really like the theme because when they announced the theme, I was like, oh my god, the looks that are gonna come out of this are gonna look so classy,
Very
so
classy.
amazing. So I loved it.
Guys, let's start with favorites first.
Yes.
Okay.
All three of us love Diljit Dosanjh.
Diljit Dosanjh looks like a I
He's
think
a
that is
king.
what he was going for, like a king. But like
He
damn.
looks like he owns the Met Gala. He's the king of it, and everyone else is paying the tribute. Shah Rukh Khan, thoughts?
I love
hot.
Shah Rukh Khan. I loved his look, but he could have done more.
I love Shah Rukh Khan. I love the monochrome. He thinks Shah Rukh Khan is looking basic. A lot of
Yes.
people are thinking he's looking very basic, but I think he's looking very classy.
Like-
Priyanka Chopra, of course, she's the queen of Met Gala. What do you think? I think she's very classy and basic. Her he likes.
She's my favorite because she stuck to the theme.
Yeah.
And it's the most accurate word she could go. And especially the hat, it really signifies about black
She looks like Audrey Hepburn.
Yeah, I'm with you on this one because like it's okay. Like it's
yeah, I'm not
great. I feel
crazy.
like she could have done more.
One person that all three of us didn't like on Met Gala carpet was Kiara Advani. What was she doing? She
First
looks
of
like
all-
she's gone to the film fair.
Yeah, not at all on theme, first of all. But like cute baby bump, all of that, yeah, all adorable and all of that. But like not on theme, it's just like a regular gown. It's pretty, but
And the gown has been done before.
Yes,
They've
exactly.
worn similar
We've seen
gown.
this before.
Aishwarya Rai has worn something
Yeah,
similar before.
even Alia.
Alia has also worn something similar.
Exactly.
I did not like her hair.
No, it was a mess.
The hair was a mess.
I don't think she knew what she was doing at the Met.
I like the most Manish Malhotra.
He was very classy, like very classy.
Did not expect any less.
I actually thought that he would be very basic, like a black suit,
Yeah.
but he did it very well.
So regal. I love Manish Malhotra. Isha Ambani's look. I
Oof.
think the best decision Isha Ambani ever made in her life, hire Anaita Shroff as her stylist. Because every look she has is amazing.
So stunning.
too
She
good.
looks super stunning.
She also
honestly.
featured Anamika Khanna first time at the Met Gala. It's the first woman designer being featured at a
I know.
Met Gala.
Diljit Dosanjh went for Prabal Gurum this time.
Yeah.
I think he's also very extreme as a designer.
Yeah.
And Shah Rukh Khan's designer is Sabyasachi.
With the white look.
White look, yeah.
Yeah.
Getting Anamika Khanna as a designer is also a big thing.
Yeah.
Did you know there are some rules also?
Alright, this time I know.
Yeah.
No
You're not
pictures,
no pictures, no
selfies.
phones. They were not allowed to
No
take their phones.
parsley, onion, garlic.
Yeah, there's no onion, garlic.
You
food.
can't have onion garlic just in case you give out bad breath. I was like, what do they think? Who was checking the breath? Okay, hello, open your mouth. Let me check if you have bad breath. What was happening? But Met Gala, I like it because there's so much to talk about.
Yes.
And like I said, it's the world's biggest fancy dress event. Check out and let us know who you liked. This was Sangamita. Divyansh, thank you so much for helping out this time. I thought I needed some friends and some reinforcement. We will be back again with yet another episode of Hype Check. Comment, like, subscribe, share, do all of that. Lots of love.
Fever FM happening.